Okay guys, so I'm going to be teaching you how to do order of operations. So the first thing you need to learn is you need to know what BEDMAS means. BEDMAS is basically the order that you do things in order of operations. So B stands for bracket, so you want to solve whatever is in the brackets right here. And E is exponents. You don't want to do that yet because that's pretty hard. D is division, so that's right here. M is multiplication. We don't have any of that, but you'll get a lot of it. A is addition, so it's right here, but it's still in the brackets, so yeah. And S is subtraction, which you don't have any of. So what you're first want to do is you'll want to solve what's in the bracket. So 8 plus 8, that's 16. And then, so 16, and then we don't have any exponents, multiplication, addition, or subtraction. So divide it by 4 equals to 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. So I hope you learned anything, and bye.